Okay, so here's the plan. We're going to load this up on what's called a beaver tongue trailer because it's got this slope to it in the back. It's a 16-footer. We'll load it up there. It's a 10,000-pound full trailer, so this might weigh, I don't know, 3,800 pounds, so it should be an easy pull. I got some tie downs. We'll tie it down. Put a rain cap on the exhaust, and we'll drive it up there.
Where?
And up to Wisconsin, up to the Lodge Farm, and we'll drop it off there, and that's where Johnny's going to live.
Oh, is he excited?
He's very excited. He's very excited about the trip up there.
Okay.
Now, he's got a brand new radiator in there. He's got new starter, new fuel, injectors, new head, new gasket, new seals, new fluids, hydraulic fluids, oil, antifreeze, 60-40 split on the water antifreeze to protect the sleeves on the diesel, and yeah, water, antifreeze, and the tires, the weight, we're good to roll. You ready?
All right. The one on the left is going off to the side a little bit, but you're okay. Yeah, they're pretty lined up. Oh, now the front ones are getting on there.
Okay, that should probably handle it. And probably put her back a little bit, but maybe just a foot or so. All right.
Then do you put chains on there or?
Yeah, I have binders.
Okay.
I have 2-inch binders, chain.
Oh, okay.
I'll
So you chain down
chain down
the tires and
get it all secure on there.
okay, so it won't roll around.
It won't roll away.
Yeah.
But
That wouldn't. Yeah.
I think I'll take it back just another 6 or 8 inches.
Okay. And then these things just fold up on in, or
Yep,
what happens
yep.
there?
What these do here.
Oh, they go underneath.
They tuck away very nicely.
Wow, that's nice. And lock them.
Like that.
Wow. That's very cool. It's like a little suitcase under the trailer. And then does that thing come up or no? That doesn't
Nope,
come up.
that's a beaver tail. It stays
Okay.
like that all the time.
Okay. All right.
It's just for cars, and it just makes it a little easier to unload
Okay.
it.
Okay.
It's not
All
such a
right.
drop.
Okay, boy. So you better have that on there pretty secure so it doesn't roll off when you're on the road.
Well, that's the whole idea.
Okay.
That's right.
Keep on trucking.
Keep on trucking. Keep on tractoring.